Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So yun guys, naghahanap sila ng cafe kasi kailangan namin ng kape.
Cafe Roma. Oh no, it's too far.
Cafe Roma
Yeah,
is
Cafe.
good.
That's so
Yeah,
far
this-
though. It's like 4.8 kilometers.
This one. What about this one? See, their cup is so cute. It's just blue and then dark.
Yeah, it's blue. It's blue and black.
We just need coffee, right?
But we have to sit somewhere.
I thought we were gonna eat.
But we have to sit for a while, like to just drink the coffee for at least like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So hi guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Toronto. We're walking. We're gonna go for coffee. It's so freaking cold. I don't know why we're not wearing puffers. Oi! You wanna die? You wanna die?
Tingin sa'yo yung matanda. Kasi mamo.
Guys, napakagulo ng Toronto. Oh my gosh guys, ako. Ang pangit. Hindi maganda, hindi siya aesthetic. Like, what the fuck is that? Ang inalamig ng kamay ko. Kailangan ko na ako holding hands.
I'm gonna get iced mocha latte. Thank you. Montage natin si boss. For the aesthetic, guys.
Check.
Damn.
Okay, guys, you can enjoy it now.
Thanks.
So let's go to the mall first. It's up to you guys. If you guys want to eat now, we can go. But I'll not eat a lot.
So let's go to the mall first time.
Yeah, okay, we
Are you okay with that? Wait, this is actually good. Guys, this is DeMello. Di ako masyadong mahilig sa kape. Bihira lang ako magkape kapag kailangan lang. Pero recommended ko to guys. Itong in-order ko ay ice mocha latte. Pasado siya sa akin. 9/10. Located sila dito guys sa downtown Toronto.
So hi guys. For today's agenda, mag-Eaton Center kami and then kakain kami sa Makilala. Which may date ako mamaya. Landi. So interviewin muna natin to. So Andrew, how was your night?
It was good.
You had fun?
Yeah.
How was partying in Toronto? Rated from 1 to 10.
7.
Would you recommend?
No.
How much did you pay for entrance?
Fuck, don't even remind me.
Guys.
$4.
The guys paid $40 for entrance at the
That's so
club.
unfair.
Because we're girls. Ayan yung ano namin guys, mga trip namin for today. So, see you at Eaton Center.
Where are they? Dito na kami sa loob ng Victoria's Secret guys. Hanapin lang natin sila.
I'm done! Waiting for a sign.
We want to see what
What did you buy? What did you buy? Ang tagal nyo. It's been 1 hour. We've been to Zara, Nike.
Okay, cotton ulit.
Yeah, cotton. So that you won't get any rashes.
Okay, excess siya nga lang ni. Ito na no, excess. Ikaw, ano naman siya eh?
Your excess?
What is see-through?
Yeah, this one. You can see the... That's nice.
Yan talaga?
Yeah, that's the best.
Pero maganda siya. Have the black.
Oh, no. I prefer I prefer the black one. Finally! That's it. Then let's go. So that you can try your new underwear. Woo! May video ka guys, oh.
Hi guys. Ganda talaga ng mga kaibigan ni Carl. Rar.
He's very Filipino.
Parang oily ko na guys. Like fresh pa din.
Video naman lang yung nag-birthday.
Nag-video ko kanina.
Happy birthday, kung sino ka man.
Sana tinikman mo muna pag umulagay ng toyo.
Wala nga.
Bakit di mo minimix?
Wait lang. Easy lang kayo. Wait lang, di pa ako tapos.
How is it?
It's good. This is honest reaction. It's good.
Sarap, sige. Go. Kuha lang. The perfect. 10 over 10.
Ryan.
Ang sarap na. Oh guys, hindi ako nagbibiro. Sobrang sarap. Hindi pwedeng hindi ko bilan si Janetta. Kuha lang kayo.
Hindi siya yung na ibang Filipino restaurant.
To be honest, sa lahat ng Filipino restaurant, nasubukan namin. Ito yung the best.
Yan na, napasabak na.
Second round. Uy, sige lang, kumuha lang kayo ha. Promise, kumuha lang kayo. Kailangan ko nga si Jen, so gusto nyo lang doon. Come inside. Bro, here, let's try it with rice, bro.
Rice?
Yeah. And trying sisig for the first time. It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, it's like crispy.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's good. Rate it.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Mother lempo.
Diyan po. Sige. Ang sarap mo, tigim lang. Ang sarap din.
Bigla nakaantok mo.
Ako matulog. Kanta ka na siya eh. Kumanta ka sunod ako.
Zombie. And actually, can we do 2 songs? One for her and one for me? Sure.
Bibidyo kayo kami guys. You wanna sing, bro? No. Manager namin yan. In your head. In your head. Are you singing? Are you singing? Yo. Sing in your head. Wait pa talaga. Hey, pang The Voice. Lamig. Winter. So light the shadows on. And I'll go where. Thank you, yeah.
Thank you so much. Just wait for your C7.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Woo! So yun guys, tapos kami kumain kasi yung isa dito makikipag-date pa. Ayan. So yun guys, maraming salamat ulit sa pagsama sa amin ngayon. At ayun, samahan nyo pa kami sa mga susunod naming vlog. At ayun lang, mag-iingat kayo palagi. Kita-kita tayo next vlog. Carlex out.
Narinig
Ano
mo
daw,
yun?
ano daw?
Mukha na akong burak.
Ngayon mo na na-realize?